Hey everyone, in today's video, we'll cover how to add SendGrid to Mailwizz for a seamless email marketing experience. Mailwizz is a powerful email marketing tool, and integrating it with SendGrid ensures that your emails are delivered reliably. Start by logging into your Mailwizz dashboard and navigating to Settings. Click on Delivery Servers. Click Create New Server. And from the list of available providers, select SendGrid Web API. Next, you need your SendGrid API key. Log into your SendGrid dashboard. Go to Settings. Click API Keys. And either create a new API key or copy an existing one. Back in Mailwizz, paste the API key into the API key field and set the host name to api.sendgrid.com. Leave the port set to 443 and ensure that your throttling settings are configured properly to avoid exceeding SendGrid's limits. Once everything is configured, save the settings and send a test email to verify the connection. If everything works, your Mailwizz emails will now be sent through SendGrid, improving deliverability. Well, that's all for today. Hit the like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more email marketing tips. If you haven't tried SendGrid, just hit the link in the description and get your free trial today.